Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to today's video. My name is Anindita and today in this video I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how to look good without makeup. So yeah, let's begin. Choosing the correct outfit is really very important. I am going with this yellow one, and as it is yellow in color, I have painted my nails yellow too, as you can see, and it's very important that you paint your nails too. As you can see that my face is looking so dull, so I will be just washing my face with this VLCC Chandan Kesar face wash. You can use any face wash of your choice. Cleansing is a very important step that you can't miss. Next, I'm going to exfoliate my face. You can use a physical scrub, a chemical peel, or even you can shave your face. So today I will be using this Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub, and I will be exfoliating my face for 2-3 minutes. You have to be very careful and gentle when you are using a physical scrub on your face. You can't be harsh upon your face. And we all know that exfoliating takes away all the dead skins from our face, and that's the reason after exfoliating our face looks so fresh, smooth and clean. Skin icing is the most underrated and inexpensive skincare tip, but do not apply ice cubes directly on your face. Wrap it in a clean cloth and then just dab it on your face. Ice cubes have the ability to shrink large pores. And before makeup also you can use ice cubes so that your makeup stays long and you sweat less. Rubbing ice cubes on your lips can hydrate your lips, plump your lips. Using ice cubes under your eyes can reduce swelling. It helps to depuff your face. So guys, you can understand that using ice cubes on your face has multiple benefits, but don't use it more than once a day. I will be using this Himalaya Rose Gel to massage my face. I have reviewed this product recently, leaving a link up there. You can have a look. You can also use aloe vera gel and rose water together to massage your face. You can also use a sheet mask of your own choice. Now I will be using this rose gel as a face mask first. So I will be applying this rose gel all over my face and I will let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that my face get enough hydration from it. Now I am taking some more gel so that I can massage my face nicely. Now never underestimate the power of a good facial massage. Facial massage increases the blood flow and it flush out all the waste and toxins and keep our skin fresh and clean both inside and out, and it boosts blood circulation. Your skin gets more oxygen. Our face has 40 muscles in it, so we need to take care of it. Washed my face after 15 minutes and you can see that my face is looking really very smooth and it has brightened up also. Now I am using my favorite moisturizer from the brand Requil. All the links will be given in the description box. If you wish, you can have a look. Then I am using this Good Vibes facial oil. This provides enough hydration to my skin, and as my skin type is dry guys, so I feel this step is necessary. If you wish, you can avoid this step. To plump up my lips, I am using cinnamon powder. With that I am mixing little bit of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use coconut oil, and then I'm mixing everything nicely, and this is how the mixture is looking. Now I will be scrubbing my lips very gently for at least 2-3 minutes. In a week you can do it once, and then I have washed my lips with normal water, and this is how my lips are looking right now. Now after this I will be using this Himalaya lip balm, and this is a very affordable lip balm which provides really good hydration to lips. Then I will be using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes. You have to hold this curler for 5 seconds at least, and then you have to just leave it, and I believe the difference is visible. Now this step is something which you just can't miss out guys. This creates a huge impact. Up next I will be using a mascara wand which is totally dried up. I will use this with the help of Vaseline on my lashes, and this gives your lashes a very good volume, guys. If you have never ever tried this hack, you can definitely try this out. You can see the difference, and definitely with this only I will shape up my eyebrows, and this is how my eyes are looking right now. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, never miss out this step. Use a sunscreen, guys, and I have a short video on how to apply sunscreen. I will put the link up there. If you wish, you can have a look. Just change my dress, guys, and this is how I look without any makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.